everyone, welcome to Xiaomi's first launch of the year. My name is Abby, and it's good to be back. To kick off 2022, we're going to be talking about a series that has made flagship technology more accessible to everyone. And that's the Redmi Note. It's a fan favorite that has made an impact in so many lives. And in total, we've sold more than 240 million Redmi Note devices. Today, we're bringing an all-new Redmi Note 11 series, devices that rise up to the challenge. Let's take a look at the first set of devices.
Hey everyone, I'm TJ. Now Abby just introduced our 108MP powerhouse. And I don't know about you, but to me, a powerhouse means something that's powerful across the board. So, it's got to have a bold design, powerful camera, leading display, elite performance, and of course, some insane charging. Let's start by checking out the bold new design with standout colors and powerful new design features, giving Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro a whole new look and feel. First, let's check out those challenge-worthy colors: graphite gray, polar white, and the gorgeous Atlantic blue, star blue. Now the revamped design on Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro gives off a powerful, bold, pro feel, with all new flat frames, a powerfully stylish camera module, and glass back, built onto a light and slim body. Next up, a powerful camera, built for detailing your rise to the challenge. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro are bringing you an incredibly powerful 108MP main camera. What does 108MP mean? It means 108 million pixels packed into a huge sensor. And in addition to the 108MP main camera, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G comes with ultra-wide and macro cameras, while Redmi Note 11 Pro comes with ultra-wide, macro, and an additional depth sensor. Now, on top of a powerful camera, we have a truly leading display. So, of course, that means the Amoled experience. But Amoled, it's only one part of what makes this display a powerhouse. The other? Well, of course, it's got to be a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. So AMOLED and a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. That's really what powers your viewing experience on Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro's leading display. And these features are built onto an expansive 6.67-inch dot display. So you'll have more than enough room to enjoy everything you're watching. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro have a truly powerful camera and leading display. We already know that. And there's something just as powerful behind it all. But lately, it's not just power that matters. Making sure you're up to speed wherever you are is becoming more and more important. We've gotten a ton of requests from our Redmi Note fans to give 5G support to our highest spec model. And this year, we've done exactly that. That's why Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G now comes with awesome 5G capabilities. The 5G capabilities on Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G are brought by the powerfully efficient Snapdragon 695 chipset. It runs on a highly efficient 6nm process, typically only found in flagship smartphones. And it also has a high-performance CPU, providing a fast and smooth experience for everything you do on your phone. And for the Pro, we have a chipset that lives up to this as well. That's the MediaTek Helio G96, with a powerful Octa-Core processor that's fast and smooth, supporting the incredible 108MP detail and silky smooth 120 Hz high refresh rate. Next, let's check out a topic that really rises to the challenge. It's something all of you have been extremely outspoken and crazy about, and that's battery and charging. We'll be bringing 67-watt turbo charging to Redmi Note, and I've been using it for a while now. It's allowed me to completely speed past any battery anxiety and challenge my day without worry. But to be a powerhouse, we aren't just satisfied with bringing lightning-fast charging to the table. We're also including a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery with over 2 days of battery life. So we talked about the 67-watt and 5,000 milliamp hour powerhouse combo. And with the addition of a 67-watt inbox charger, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro's battery and charging truly blast past mid-range value. These incredible features that we just talked about are wrapped up in a complete experience. We're giving you all the features you know and love. Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro clearly rises to the challenge of giving you more than what you expect from a mid-range phone. Dual speakers, headphone jack, great haptics, NFC, and so much more. Now, our next two devices are something just as incredible as our Pro models. They are Redmi Note 11S and Redmi Note 11. Redmi Note 11S is our 108MP expert. It's for those with a passion for photography, for those that are never satisfied and want to push their smartphone cameras to the limit. And Redmi Note 11 is the 90 Hertz Amoled Pioneer. It's a device for the everyday challenger, someone who just wants that smooth and seamless all-round smartphone experience. Redmi Note 11S brings a quad-camera setup that gives you everything you need to take smartphone photography to the limit. In addition to the main camera, there's a 118-degree ultra-wide lens that lets you capture it all, while the macro camera, depth camera, and selfie camera let you snap perfect shots from any angle. And for Redmi Note 11, we have a versatile 50MP quad camera system that's perfect for taking shots in any situation. This all-purpose camera system is perfect for the everyday casual photographer. You want good snaps and you want them fast. Redmi Note 11 is going to give you exactly that, with a super versatile setup covering all your bases. Main camera, ultra-wide, macro, and depth. So not only will Redmi Note 11S and 11 both feature that rich, vibrant AMOLED display in full HD plus clarity, but both will also be running on a smooth and seamless 90 Hz high refresh rate. And of course, we haven't forgotten about all the other necessities, like blue light protection with eye care display, to make your smartphone viewing as comfortable as possible. Redmi Note 11S and Redmi Note 11 inherited many of the impressive segment-dominating specs of Redmi Note 11 Pro. We've upgraded fast charging to a whopping 33-watt Pro. And of course, with 33-watt fast charger in box. Improved haptics with a Z-axis linear motor for more realistic vibrations. Included dual speakers to give you that stereo sound without giving up the headphone jack. And the all-new memory extension technology. All this powered by a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Now that's all of our smartphones for today. Here again are the four devices. The powerhouse Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G and Pro, the expert Redmi Note 11S, and the pioneer Redmi Note 11.
For MIUI 13, our core focus is on the core experience. We aim to provide a smooth, seamless, and optimized UI for all of our users. To achieve this, we're focusing on 4 elements of user experience and optimization features. In total, that's 4 big ways we're taking the MIUI experience and elevating it to another level. Faster storage, faster background efficiency, faster processing, and longer battery life. Along with new features to make your UI, well, more you, with customizable sidebar. Of course, the entire lineup of Redmi Note 11 devices that we announced today will come with MIUI 13